Xiaomi just launched its Redmi Note 9 Pro in India, and how does it stack up to its predecessor in terms of speed? Now that is the question we are going to try to answer in today's video. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech, and as always, if you do like what you see here, subscribe and please consider turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Let's now get the speed test started. If you want to win a Redmi Note 9 Pro for yourself, I am giving one away, and to know more about this giveaway, check out the link in the description below. Now this is a C4eTech style speed test, so there are going to be 2 rounds, each with 2 laps. The first round is going to be casual, where we're going to be testing out regular apps like Facebook, Twitter, with a mix of some light games like Super Mario Run. In the second round, we're going to push the hardware more. We're going to have demanding apps and games, even render a video. As far as the laps are concerned, the first one is about app launch times. The second one's about RAM management. Now before we start, it's time for you guys to get your predictions in. What do you think is going to happen with this speed test? Do you think the Snapdragon 720G will outperform Mediatek's G90T? Now if you see with some benchmarks, the Mediatek chip has done better than the 720G. So will the Redmi Note 8 Pro be able to manage a win here, or will the Redmi Note 9 Pro reign supreme? Here's a poll, cast your vote. Let's see if you guys can get your predictions right. By the way, both phones are connected to the same wireless network and there are no apps running in the background. Let's now go ahead and start that stopwatch. Opening up Super Mario Run. Redmi Note 9 Pro loads it up faster and establishes the initial lead, but the Note 8 Pro is not far behind. We're at the second row of apps and not much has changed. The Note 9 Pro is still slightly ahead. Moving on to the last row of apps, the Note 9 Pro has managed to pull ahead by 1 app. The Redmi Note 9 Pro finishes the lap in 43 seconds. The Note 8 Pro takes just a second more. Let's see if the results change with lap 2. And no, it's bad news for the Note 8 Pro. It takes a long time to retrieve Instagram and reloads Feedly. The Note 9 Pro is already done with the first round in 57 seconds, while the Note 8 Pro is busy loading Super Mario Run. The Note 8 Pro finishes the round in 1 minute and 16 seconds. That's 19 seconds after the Note 9 Pro. What's weird is that the Note 9 Pro we are using is the 6GB RAM version, whereas the Note 8 Pro, it's got 8GB of RAM. Good to see Xiaomi optimize the software here, and hopefully these optimizations will trickle down to the Note 8 Pro sooner than later. Anyway, let's move on to round 2. Let's start the stopwatch. Opening up PUBG. This time around, the Note 8 Pro loads it up a bit faster, establishing the initial lead. But the big question, can it hold on to this lead? Both phones are now opening up Temple Run 2. The Note 8 Pro loads it up faster and retains its lead. Moving on to the third row of apps. The Note 8 Pro seems to be sliding off and losing its edge. The Note 8 Pro fails to keep VLLO in memory, so we are reopening the project from the saved files. Although later start, the Redmi Note 8 Pro crushes through the render. And finishes it first. It's now moved on to the last row of apps, and thanks to the faster rendering, the Note 8 Pro has taken a 2-app lead. It now finishes the lap in 1 minute 32, and let's see what happens in the second lap. The Note 9 Pro, it takes 5 seconds more for the first lap. Both phones are now in lap 2. We are in the end game now. History repeats itself. The Note 8 Pro starts reloading everything from Instagram. whereas the Note 9 Pro has everything in memory, so it takes the lead at YouTube. And the Note 9 Pro finishes the test in 1:59 without any reloads. Speeding the video up to save some time. The Note 8 Pro finishes the test in 2:33. It's reloaded every app through Instagram to Super Mario Run except Facebook and Spotify. So the G90T on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, it still seems to be one hell of a chip, as we saw, especially with that render. Even when the Note 8 Pro couldn't keep VLLO in memory, the G90T was powerful enough to help the Note 8 Pro catch up. But then again, therein lies the problem. The Note 8 Pro could not keep VLLO in memory. RAM management issues have affected the Note 8 Pro time and time again since launch, and it's sad to see it unaddressed for so long. At least it's good that Redmi have fixed any existing issues with MIUI for the Note 9 Pro, and despite the internals not being quite as beefy as with the Note 8 Pro, the Note 9 Pro has still managed to eke out a win quite comfortably. So what next? Should we run a speed test with, say, the Poco X2? Another MIUI phone without any kind of RAM management issues, to see how this Note 9 Pro stacks up? Is that something you'd be interested in seeing? Let me know in the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of this video, and it is time for me to bid you adieu. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about the video. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.